Hi everyone, welcome to InfosecTrain and this is Krish. So here are top 4 reasons why you should learn the Advanced Cloud Security Governance program from InfosecTrain. Reason number 1. So this particular program will give you a comprehensive understanding of the cloud security principles, standards and best practices. So starting from the basics of cloud security to all the aspects which basically concern for an organization in terms of cloud security, we are discussing in depth in this particular program. The second reason why you should learn this program from InfosecTrain is that this will give you a practical understanding of the cloud risk assessment, compliance and auditing perspectives. So at the end of this program, you will be aware of how to perform practical cloud risk assessment step by step with some use case and scenarios. Also, you will learn how to build a proper cloud compliance program, do a practical cloud assessment with a proper real-time scenarios. The third reason why you should learn this program is that this not only prepares you with the knowledge for the cloud security and all, but it also helps you to prepare for the latest CCSK version 5 and CCAK examination. This covers all the topics which are relevant to the CCSK version 5 and CCAK examination. And the fourth reason is that this program is offered by InfosecTrain, and InfosecTrain is the authorized training partner for the CSA, the Cloud Security Alliance, and the ISACA. And more than this team, as a bonus, you'll also get access to the recorded sessions and practice questions, which will help you to reinforce your knowledge and prepare you for the examinations as well. So do join the team. Thank you.